Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. My name is Angel. Today I am showing you how to buy kurtis from Ajio website with a very good discount. Many people were asking me how to get it, this is fake and all this. So I am showing you how to buy. And I have installed Ajio app in my phone. I just clicked it, it will take you to the front screen and you can see a lot of offers going on. So mostly we will get very good discount for trends brands. So I am going to this trends session to find out which is the discount now going on. Mostly you will see 60, 66, 70 percentage. So with 70 percentage and all we will get very good discount. So currently only 63 percentage is available. So to show you I am taking that 63 percentage. So you can calculate if 63 percentage itself we are getting this much discount. So 70% we will get extra. So like this you need to click on that offer. Now it is 63 percentage. So we have around 16,795 products in this discount. It includes all other products, like not only kurtas, it has jeans, t-shirts, some other earrings, all these items will be there. You can see three prices mentioned below each kurti or each dress. It is the original price is 1999, and again after striking that they have mentioned 490 for this DNMX, and again below if you see offer price they have written in green. I will show you how to buy kurtis for this offer price which they have written in green. For that we need to first filter out kurtis alone. For that I am going to categories and then click on women. The first one is women. When you click you will get all the women related items. From here we need to select only kurtas. So what I am clicking, kurtas, kurtis and kurta bottom set I am clicking. Then apply filter. So we will get all kurta items over here. Now we have only kurtas and kurtis, and if you see it is not arranged in an order. First one is 500, second one is 450, again the price is increasing, it is coming down, like that it is there. So first we need to order it. For that I am just clicking on sort by, and then lowest price first I am clicking. So what will happen, the price of the kurti whatever is less will come first. So here 200 rupees has come first, which is first class brand, and we have first class, we have Avasa, we will have Fusion, many more brands will be there. And you click on one of these kurti, so you will see the condition to get this kurti for 148. So flat 63% off on 1990 and above. So if you buy for 2000 rupees only we will get this discount. For that if you see the price it is 200 rupees, the current price. To get 2000 rupees we need to add minimum 10 kurtis. So what I am doing, I will just add some kurtis, and then the sizes you need to check. Some kurtis will be short kurtis, some kurtis will be long kurtis, some kurtis size will not be available. Here the first and last size, that is XS and XXL, is out of stock. That is the reason they have put one strike mark. Once you select the size and add to bag, it will show that it is added to bag. And if you want we can view bag, or you go back and then again add some kurtis. And there are a lot of kurtis, short kurtis and long kurtis are available. The model is wearing short kurti, so while looking itself you can understand this one is a short one. So this is very short, you can see the model is wearing, and the green one is long kurti. So like this we can differentiate whether it's a long kurti or short kurti. And you can see the price for short or long kurti both are same, and this is having Avasa, Fusion and other brands as well. So I just clicked on this you see most of the sizes are gone out of stock. If we click on the product details we can see the material type, and they will mention the model height as well. So based on that we can assume how long this kurti will be for us. We will get an overall idea by looking at this picture itself, and once you are okay to buy you can click the size. Here only two sizes are available, even the color they have mentioned, and then you can select the size and then add to bag. Once you add it, it will show it is added to bag, and then we can click on view bag. Now we can see all the kurtas whatever we added here, and the total price is 2490. I added 11 products, and we need to click on apply coupon. The first one if you see it is showing please enter a valid coupon code. If you have got any other coupon code you can type the coupon code there and click on apply. If you don't have anything, below you see trend 63 is the current offer going on. So we just need to click on apply coupon. So this one will get applied to our products. So I am just tapping on the apply coupon part, So you can see the price of the kurti is getting changed, and there is an icon which has come on top of each kurti. Trend 63 applied. The original price of the kurti was 499, and with 63% off the price is coming around 185. Like that, all the kurtis are showing the price after giving the discount. And for fusion it is different price, and if you see the first class it is different price. So overall it is coming around 1845.93. If you don't want any of the product, you can remove and again you can add something else. Once you click on confirm order, it will take you to the payment option. If your address is already added, then you can go ahead to payment, or you need to add the address, and based on the pin code, again it will show you whether delivery is available or not. So here cash on delivery is the last option. If you click on that plus mark, it is ready to pay. And once you click on place order, it will give a notification stating your order is placed. This is how I purchase kurtis, and hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you subscribe, when I upload next video, you will get notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.